Konzum is the largest retail corporation in Croatia. With its chain of grocery stores, markets, supermarkets and hypermarkets, it is already present on almost every corner in Croatia. So when Konzum announced that they will open even more stores on all imaginable and unimaginable locations, from the main square in Zagreb to a boat station in Rijeka harbor, it looked like a new Konzum will be opened everywhere. And soon the debate started. While some users got upset, others welcomed the idea and even suggested additional locations. It took a few days, but eventually people came to the conclusion that this must be a teaser campaign for the new Konzum webshop. After 2 weeks of teasing, Konzum revealed that they really are opening a new store on every location a user can imagine. Konzum Klik, a web shop optimized for mobile use, allows you to shop everywhere, because the closest store is in your phone, always in your pocket. When we draw the line and look at the results, we can see that people were not only interested, they were curious. Direct visits to new websites increased more than 30% compared to the old websites. Curiosity also brought strong business results. During campaign, we saw increase in newly registered users by 150% and 167% increase in activity for registered but idle user. This resulted with 59% overall increase of users making purchases and 24% increase in average order value. All results combined resulted as a 12% increase in overall webshop turnover. KonzumKlik.hr, web shop in your pocket.